do we know, is there going to be more of this coming down the line? More?
Of course there's going to be more. They're the French. It's June. It's July. It's time to go on strike. I mean, they're not striking for more money. They're not striking for better terms and conditions. These guys every summer just invent new reasons to go on strike.
Michael, Shane Coleman said yesterday on air that there are three things certain in life: death, taxes, and the French air traffic controllers striking during the summer. Do you agree?
I'd add a fourth one, Ciara, and the failure, and that the EU Commission and our politicians will do nothing about it. They'll sit in their hands and fail to take any action. You know, we and the other European airlines have been calling for years for Europe or to protect overflights. The sad thing about these flight cancellations yesterday and today, you know, this is another recreational strike by the French. You know what the reason for these 2-day strikes is because they believe they're short-staffed. So their solution to short staffing is to go out and strike, leaving even less staff. Only the French could come up with this kind of nonsense. So we fully respect the right of French air traffic controllers to go on strike, but we're going to protect the overflights. So if there's going
and
to be
by overflights, just for people listening, that's flying
overflights
through French airspace but not landing in France.
Exactly, because the French closed their airspace. So our flights from Ireland to Italy get cancelled, flights from Germany to Spain get cancelled, and flights from Portugal to Belgium get cancelled. Everything overflight.